What's up guys, Thermador owner and boxed wine sommelier Alan Chapelier here to share with you one of my favorite dishes to make during fishing season, Trout Almandine. It's a classic French dish. You can find this on the menu of any restaurant you go to in France, New Orleans, anything that has a bistro in the title, they'll have this on the menu. We're gonna be serving that over top of some very garlicky white wine asparagus. It's gonna smell great unless you're a vampire. At the end of the day, we're sauteing fish. It's already fast, but we're gonna make it even faster by using the Induction Cooktop. Never used an Induction Cooktop before? Don't even know what those words mean? That's okay, I'm gonna walk you through it. Let's get cooking. So, first step, preheat the pan. Now, on an Induction Cooktop, that's gonna take like 2 seconds, so don't set it and walk away. This is the first range I've ever owned that had an Induction Cooktop on it. What makes that special is it uses electromagnetism to heat your food. It's faster than traditional cooking methods. And I am super excited that this piece of modern scientific magic is now in my kitchen. So next up, we're gonna dredge the fish. What is dredging specifically? Literally is a fancy way of saying put flour on your fish. Today we're using a gluten-free flour because I'm aging poorly, but you can use regular flour. Now, the most important part, salt and pepper. I salt and pepper almost as much as the band Salt and Peppers. So, pan's hot, trout is seasoned. Next, we're gonna throw a little olive oil in that pan and a bunch of butter. Look at that, right off the bat, you see those ripples? I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because it's too hot. So, as you're getting to learn your Induction Cooktop, be aware that temperatures change very quickly. So anytime you're cooking with butter on induction, be very mindful of the heat. Brown butter, delicious. Burnt butter, oh yeah. We're gonna throw that trout in there, skin side down, crisp it up. So in North America, there's several different types of trout, rainbow being the most common, but you got brown, you got cutthroat, bull trout, which is a trout that swims from freshwater to seawater, migrates like a salmon, has a pink color. All right, that's enough trout talk. You wanna see the flip? There it is, golden brown. These trout look perfect. Now we're gonna make the sauce. I'm doing a weird Barack Obama impression. So this sauce is delicious. It's literally just almonds and butter. Right now we're on a 5. That's probably as high as I would go to make this sauce. But as usual, keep an eye on the heat. Should only take a couple minutes. So this is ready to go. I'm gonna throw it in this cup, set it aside for when we garnish the fish later. All right, asparagus time. Who here likes asparagus? Round of applause. Everyone. Like I said, we're making asparagus. What are we adding to that? A bunch of garlic and white wine. Isn't that right, Ruth? She doesn't care. Anyways, asparagus, garlic, lemon juice, white wine. Gonna throw all that into a pan to create a cavalcade of flavor. I'm gonna use the same pan because this is covering a lot of delicious butter and all type of seasoning, but I'm gonna do it on a flame because I feel like it. So get that pan nice and hot, throw your garlic in and your asparagus. Just do it all at the same time. You can do whatever you want. You're a Thermador owner. You're strong, you're powerful. So now we're gonna add this white wine and cook it down. Ooh, I've never seen asparagus look that sexy. So I'm gonna add more butter to this asparagus because I can. This is smelling awesome. We got a nice, delicious, yummy garlic bath ready for an extra low simmer. That way we don't have to worry about it burning. All right, that's good to go. It's time to eat. There it is, Trout Almandine and sauteed asparagus, courtesy of our Thermador Induction Cooktop, cooked with the power of magnets. If you have an Induction Cooktop at home, take it for a spin this week. I wanna see what you come up with. Snap some pics, at me on the net. Until then, happy cooking.